When it comes to replacing doors in Birmingham, Alabama, homeowners must consider a few crucial factors, particularly the local climate. Birmingham's humid subtropical weather presents unique challenges, with hot, humid summers and mild, wet winters. To ensure longevity, energy efficiency, and a great appearance, selecting the right door materials is essential. Below, we'll explore the best materials for door replacement, tailored to the climate and conditions of Birmingham. Fiberglass doors. Durability and low maintenance. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice for homes in Birmingham due to their ability to withstand the region's extreme weather conditions. They are highly resistant to moisture, making them less likely to warp, rot, or swell, which is a common problem with wood doors in humid climates. Fiberglass also provides superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round, whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter night. In addition to their resilience, fiberglass doors can be made to resemble wood, offering a classic aesthetic without the maintenance required by natural wood. With proper care, these doors can last for decades, making them a cost-effective choice for homeowners who want both longevity and style. The low maintenance factor is another perk, as fiberglass doors don't need frequent sanding or painting. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are another great option for Birmingham homeowners, particularly for those prioritizing security. Steel is an incredibly strong material that can withstand impact and provide a high level of protection for your home. Moreover, steel doors offer excellent insulation, which can help keep your home cooler during the summer months and warmer during the winter, contributing to energy savings. One of the main advantages of steel doors in Birmingham's climate is their resistance to moisture. Unlike wood, steel doesn't absorb water, meaning it won't warp or rot when exposed to the humidity and rain that the region experiences. Steel doors can also be coated with a layer of protective paint to prevent rusting, adding an extra layer of durability. These doors are available in various styles and finishes, ensuring you can find one that complements your home's architecture. Wood doors. A timeless classic. While wood doors may require more maintenance in Birmingham's humid climate, they are still a popular choice for homeowners seeking a traditional, elegant look. Wood provides natural insulation and offers a warm, timeless aesthetic that works well in many different home styles. However, because of the moisture in Birmingham's air, it's important to select high-quality wood such as mahogany, oak, or teak, which are more resistant to swelling, warping, and rotting. If you decide to go with a wooden door, it's essential to keep up with regular maintenance. This includes sealing, sanding, and restaining or painting the door to protect it from the elements. Though they require more care, well-maintained wood doors can last for many years and enhance the curb appeal of your home. Vinyl doors. Low-cost, high-efficiency vinyl doors are an affordable and efficient option for Birmingham homeowners. Made from durable plastic, vinyl doors are resistant to moisture and won't warp or rot, making them a suitable choice for the humid climate. Vinyl is also energy efficient, providing excellent insulation that can help reduce heating and cooling costs. These doors are available in a range of designs, offering flexibility when selecting a door that matches your home's exterior. One of the main benefits of vinyl doors is their minimal maintenance needs. They don't require regular painting or sealing, and they won't fade over time as some other materials might. This makes them an ideal choice for homeowners looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting solution. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and modern aluminum doors are a lightweight option that can withstand the challenges of Birmingham's climate. While aluminum itself can be prone to rusting, modern aluminum doors are often treated with protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion. These doors provide excellent insulation and can be customized to include glass panels, allowing for a contemporary and stylish appearance. One of the advantages of aluminum doors in Birmingham's climate is their ability to resist the wear and tear caused by humidity. Aluminum doors are also low maintenance, requiring minimal attention over time. They are a great option for homeowners who want a sleek, modern look without worrying about extensive upkeep. Conclusion: choosing the best material for door replacement in Birmingham's climate requires balancing durability, insulation, aesthetics, and maintenance needs. Fiberglass, steel, wood, vinyl, and aluminum doors all offer distinct benefits, but the right choice for your home will depend on your specific preferences and requirements. Fiberglass and steel doors are especially well suited to handle the region's humidity and temperature fluctuations, while wood doors provide a classic look with some extra upkeep. Vinyl and aluminum doors, on the other hand, are cost-effective, low-maintenance options that still offer durability and style. No matter which material you choose, ensuring that your doors are properly installed and maintained will keep your home secure, energy efficient, and beautiful for years to come.